Hi Gary, we're gonna go take a little cruise in a pony car.
That's it, man. Mustang.
There's ponies all over the place. Ponies on the floor, ponies on the seats, pony in the grill.
That's it.
The Mustang.
That's the Mustang. Pony in the steering wheel too.
That's right. Pony up.
That's right. Pony up. You'll have one of these.
That's right. So this one is a 1965 Mustang Convertible. It was an A-code car. It's got disc brakes up front. It's got power steering. It's got that Mark IV Ford air conditioning from back in the day.
Yep. Either installed.
Yep. Still got the original AM radio. It's got the console there, automatic. I don't know what trans is that, the Ford-O-Matic?
C4.
What's this say on there?
Cruise-O-Matic.
Okay.
It's a C4.
It's Cruise-O-Matic C4. A pretty cool car. Sometime along the way, somebody put a 2-barrel carburetor on it. Probably thought they was going to save them some gas, but
yeah, which should come in handy now.
Exactly, right now.
Probably put it out in 75 when they're doing odd even.
Ain't that the truth? Hopefully we don't get back to that. But pretty nice original car. Original steering wheel. All the dash components are nice.
Yeah.
Previous owner had it for 40 some odd years. Passed away, left it to their daughter. She spent a little bit of money on it, had some things done to it, went ahead and had the engine kind of freshened up, and just a few things here and there. We put a brand new soft top on it. We'll probably wait so we don't get T-boned.
Yeah.
We put a brand new soft top on it, power top. It's got the glass rear window, and it's got those spoke hubcaps, which are really cool. Gives it a classy look.
You're gonna block me.
That's right. Got white wall tires on there.
Oh yeah, it's a stalker, man.
It is. It's just a nice driver. I drove this thing from Pasadena to here when I bought it, and that's about a 40-minute drive. Really comfortable on the freeway. Runs really good. It's got a brand new radiator in it recently. Just the lady took good care of it. Kept it up.
Yeah, I think didn't the family own it a while?
Yeah, about 40 years.
Wow.
So pretty cool. Well, we'll come up here in a little bit, take you some more video and some pictures, and show you what else we got here.
Oh yeah. Alrighty, let's check out this 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Nice car. I think the family owned it like 40 years or so, and decided to sell it. And we were able to purchase this car. Picked it up over there in Pasadena, which is about 40 miles away from us, something like that. Little nice red, 289. Got a C4, automatic tranny in there. Front disc brakes, and it's got power steering. Pretty nice car. Looks nice and clean. Pretty stock, it's just like a stock Mustang. There isn't a hopped up engine or anything like that. Just a nice little cruiser. Takeout, power top, which is nice, and the top's new too. So it's got kind of like a folding rear window in there, so it looks pretty dang good. And then it's got pony interior. Figured I'd creep around here and just, so that's a nice little upgrade. Seating surfaces are all nice. Got air conditioning, and it's got the under dash stuff. Center console. Just a stock steering wheel there. AM radio. You might want to upgrade that, maybe just have some hidden radio somewhere. Looks nice though. And yeah, I think it's a great car, and it drives well. Really drives good. Yeah, this is a nice little car to take for a cruise right down by Malibu or some other beach if you don't happen to live in California. We're going to get ready to show you the power plant on this. Alrighty, here's the power plant. 289. This one happens to have a 2-barrel on it. It's an A-code car, but maybe back in the other gas shortage days, well, I guess we don't have gas shortages now, we just have expensive gas. They put a 2-barrel on it, and but it's an A-code car, and you can put a 4-barrel back on it. It's got air conditioning there. It's got like the little GT reservoir that they put for the front disc brakes on these Mustangs. Power steering, radiators in great shape. Looks pretty new. Engine runs great. We're gonna fire this thing up. Let you take a listen. Yeah, sounds good, nice and quiet. No clattering going on. That's always a plus. All right, we're gonna go around the back. It's The stock exhaust, I think it's a 2-in-1, so it's pretty quiet, but we'll have you take a little listen. All right, sounds good. Sounds good, man. Nice little stock Mustang. You buy it for your wife, or you know, or you can drive it around. I mean, I drive it around. It looks great, man. It's like that poppy red color, which is pretty nice color for the Mustangs. Got those deluxe wire hubcaps there, which were actually expensive back in the day. So we got this car here at California Cars. 818-591-1313. Speak to Rich, sitting on the car, and then, or me, Gary, you know, and we'd be more than happy to show you this car. And if you have any questions, give us a ring. Glad to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.